Hi, this is Don Kerr. I'm going to talk to you now about managing the menu tags within FlickIT. To refresh your memory, I will go back to the View Presentations and select a presentation. As you recall, there is a menu at the bottom of the screen on the View Presentations. And this is what I'm going to show you, is how to make your main menu, which is the 5 menu buttons that show up across the bottom. And then you have the option of having subtags, bed and breakfast, campgrounds, hotels, things like that, underneath of accommodations. And then as I showed you in the Manage Presentations video, you can, when you're editing a particular presentation, you can select which menu tags you want to assign to that presentation. So if I assigned, on these presentations, I selected bed and breakfast, and therefore they show up when somebody selects bed and breakfast. So I'm going to show you how to make this menu structure. So what you do is on the main screen of FlickIT, you're going to select menu tags. And this shows you all the menu tags that you have created. So accommodations, events, parish attractions, bed and breakfast, all of them are listed here. And you have the ability to add a new tag if you'd like to. So if you see over here on the right hand side, it says menu. It says accommodations, events, attractions, and parish. Those are the 4 main menu items that we have currently selected. If you wanted to remove one of those, then you could select one of those menu items and hit the remove button, and then it takes it away. If you want to add one back, you select parish, you can select the to menu button, and then it adds it back to the menu. So these are the 4 main menu items on the right. If I select accommodations and I want to edit the subtags, I select the subtags, and you can see that under accommodations subtags I have bed and breakfast, campgrounds, and hotels. I can select one and hit the remove button, or I can select a new submenu item, click the to submenu button, and it adds museums over here. Of course, we don't want museums under accommodations, so we would just remove that. Hit the remove button. When you add all the tags that you want to add to the subtags on the right, then you hit the save button, and then it updates the subtags for that menu item. So events, attractions has some subtags. It's not required that you have subtags, it's just an option. But if you select attractions, you'll see that there are 6 subtags over here. So that is the basic idea, is create all your tags first and then determine which ones you want to be main menu tags and then which ones you want to be selected as sub tags. This is the full list of all the tags on the left hand side. If you want to add a tag, you just hit the add tag button and you can type in a new tag, set that it's a shared tag, and then set that it's activated. You can activate or deactivate a tag if you no longer want to use it, and you can prevent other people from sharing your tag or not. I'll explain that more in another video. But for now, you just want to set it as shared and activated. That's a new tag. So when I hit save, it adds the new tag to the list. Here, I can edit that tag. New tag 2. I can save it and it changes to new tag 2, and then I can delete that tag. It says, are you sure you want to delete new tag 2? I select OK. Note that that will not delete the presentations from the system that were part of that tag. They will just no longer have that menu option to show up under. But it doesn't actually delete the presentations that are in the tag, is my main point. So there you have it. It's simply selecting the available tags, adding new tags, selecting which ones you want in your main menu, and then editing editing the main menu items to select which items you want to have as subtags. So that is managing the menu tags. Thank you.